Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some basics of two-port parameters. So first one is impedance parameter. Impedance parameter is represented by this and its equation is written as V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. The second one is admittance parameter. So it is represented by Y. It is just the reciprocal of impedance parameter. So it will be I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. The third one is ABCD or T parameter. T means transmission line. It is simply denoted by T only. We will denote it by T, or we can even denote it by ABCD as you wish. So it is represented as V1 and here it will be I1. So it will be ABCD and this will be V2 minus I2. Okay. Fourth one is ABCD dash or T dash parameter. So it is represented as V2 I2 A dash B dash C dash D dash and V1 minus I1. Fifth one is very commonly used with the BJT amplifiers and the MOSFET amplifiers, that is H parameter. So this is known as the hybrid parameter. So it is represented as V1 I2 H11 H12 H21 H22 and this will be I1 V2. Now the last one will be sixth one, that is the reciprocal of this, and it will be G parameter. So it will be denoted like this and it will be I1 V2 is equal to G11 G12 G21 G22 and it will be V1 I2. So friends, as you must have seen, this two I have admittance and impedance parameter I have written in equation wise and this I have written in matrix form. You can even write this in matrix form too. That is, I will write this as V1 V2 is equal to Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 and here it will be I1 I2. Similarly, here I can write I1 I2 is equal to Y11 Y12 Y21 Y22 and here it will be V1 V2. The rest all I have shown you in matrix form. So just remember, in matrix form you can easily remember this all.